Okay, this is my red leather coach Victorinox Classic. They make them in several colors. Since they're coach branded, they are very expensive. Retail price is normally about $120, although I have seen them discounted as much as down to $90 in a retail setting. I've seen them in red, black, dark brown, light tan, almost cream colored. And they usually come with the large key ring with Coach imprinted onto it as well. The leather does not stand up very well, so when you find used ones, usually they look like this. As you can see, this is probably a dark brown or black, but the leather from the hand oils and everything else that it gets contaminated with wears off. You can see where it's even torn off on the corner. Little bits here and there have flaked. One thing too you'll notice is the leather seals in the scale that's underneath. I found another older one that was in pretty rough shape, so I just peeled it off and ended up with a nylon scaled Classic. They still have their inserts, however this one happened to have both front scales with a shield on each side. You can see along the edge of the blade there and along the edge of the scissors there where the leather was peeled off. You don't find too many actually with a nylon scale either in the Classic sized. If you find one in good shape, hang on to it. It'll end up looking like this. Not too much value to a collector. That's my red Coach Classic.